In a peaceful monastery located among towering trees and serene gardens, a spiritual teacher and his devoted disciples gathered each evening for meditation. Their hearts were filled with reverence as they sought inner peace and enlightenment. However, their tranquility was often disrupted by the mischievous antics of a playful cat that roamed the monastery grounds. With its continuous meowing and playful pouncing, the cat became a source of distraction during their sacred meditation sessions and evenings. In an effort to restore the serenity of their evening practices, the wise teacher made a decree: the cat must be tied up during meditation. And so, each evening, as the disciples closed their eyes in contemplation, the cat would be tethered to a nearby post, its playful antics silenced by the bonds of restraint. Years passed. The beloved teacher passed away, but the tradition of tying up the cat continued. The disciples, now masters in their own right, upheld the practice of tying up the cat during meditation out of respect for their teacher's wishes. When the original cat eventually reached the end of its days, another cat was brought to the monastery to take its place. And so, generation after generation, the tradition endured, with each new cat dutifully bound during the sacred meditation sessions. Centuries later, scholars and sages reflected on the curious tradition of tying up a cat for meditation practice. They pondered the deeper meaning behind this seemingly peculiar ritual, weaving elaborate theories on its religious significance. The story of the ritual cat delves into the interrogation of rituals and authority. In our contemporary world, we encounter countless rituals, beliefs, and perspectives inherited from ancient times. Yet, it prompts us to ponder how many of these are genuinely our own, rather than inherited from others.